Hey everyone, Coder Steve here. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create a type of click to earn script using PHP. It's similar to a forum, but it's only a basic tutorial. I had a comment on one of my videos, and I'll go to that now. And the comment was from an Amos Wisdom, which is here, and they commented one day ago, "Thank you for the good work. I love your tutorial and all my friends will know about you. I want you to make a click to earn button for each user that will save the values. Even if the user uses another phone, the values will keep increasing, and that button can only be clicked once, then it will be disabled." And then I wrote, "Hi, I'm not sure what you mean. So when a user logs in, they have a button to click which can only be clicked once. If you let me know in more detail, I should be able to code this for you." So then they replied, they say, "Okay, sir, let's create a button that when the button is clicked, it will add a number, let's say 5, in another page, and it will not function again. Then the value that was saved will not be deleted even when a user uses another phone and log in. What I am saying, I'm designing a site that when you log in, you comment, and the button to submit the comment will be the button that will add the value. For instance, click to earn. That is for every comment blog post you make, you get an additional 5 points. It's just like an activity. Maybe in a day you comment on 10 blog posts, then you get 5 points times 10 would be 50. Those values will stick to you even if you change your phone. Thank you very much, sir, for the good work. Keep it up. I love your work." So then we commented back and forth, and I've said, "Amos Wisdom, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. Should be able to get you some code in a video tomorrow." That was yesterday. So I've had a little look, and I've come up with something that I've put together. So I'll show you that now. So firstly, you would need the login system tutorial if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe because I have quite a few different scripts. But this one you would need to use the login system tutorial I created. If you like my video, please give it a like because that helps boost my channel, and also my videos get more views. So if we go to the website now, I've created a name called Amos, and I've logged in and I've got a member ID which is 12. So this is Amos. This is what I've put together called click to earn system. You have earned, and there's no points there. You create a new topic here using this, and the topics appear underneath here. So what I've done is I've gone into the usual things, cPanel, PHP My Admin. I've created 2 new tables for this script. I've created one called topics. So we can look at the structure now. So I'll click this and it will show the structure. And this is what you want to copy. You want to create a table and you want to use ID, int11, auto increment, and make this the primary key. Right, that's important. Then you want to create one topic title, give it variable characters 255 or 250 for the topic title. Then the topic owner, again an int11, replies int11, and this one was just a spare one which I'm going to delete now. Didn't actually realise it was in there, so I'll drop that one out of the table now. So it's just these. So you need four columns: ID, topic title, topic owner, and replies, and call that one topics, and use this structure same as what I've set here. So if we go back to here, I've also created, I'll show you that one in a minute. I'll test this out. I'll show you how it creates a topic. So if I go to my notepad and I'll put test topic by Amos. So I'll copy that and I'll paste it in there as the topic title, and I'll create the topic with this button here in a minute, but I'm going to show you how that works first. So if we go to the code, we're currently in logged-in.php, and you can mess about with this, Amos, play about with it, it's not a problem. But here is the add to earn entry. Starts from here and it ends here. So this is the bit for adding the topic. Click to earn system. You have earned da da da. Right, create new topic. Basically, I made a small form just in here, and the form's a post. I create a new file called createtopic.php, similar to some of my other tutorials. Topic title. This is where you write in the topic title, which I've just written in there. So that bit of code is literally just this line here. Then I've put 2 line breaks, and then I've hidden the topic owner, and I've given it a value ID of that, which is your current value ID, which would be 12, because that's your ID in a database under a user. So that's your ID. So it's hidden in this form, number 12. You can't see it because I've put it, you use this. Instead of type equals text, you put type equals hidden. Then this still will go through with the form, but you just can't see it. And then I've put a submit button, and I've called it create topic, and that's the end of the form. So that's all it does. And then I created another file called createtopic.php. I'll show you that file now. Very small file. Again, I don't know why I put date in the top here, but there's your connection. That's your connection code. Getting the topic title, which is here. Going back to this, the value is there. Topic title. The topic title. Then hidden, we had topic owner, which I've called them, and that's in there. Topic owner, and I've given the value of topic owner, I've given you your ID, which is 12. So go back to that. Then we insert this into the database as a new topic. So we insert into topics. We'll give it topic title, topic owner, and that'll be the topic title test topic by Amos, and your ID, which will be 12, and that will go in right into here like that. Because it won't have no replies, we don't need to insert any replies information just yet. So what we do is we go back, and I'll click create topic. So we're putting this in now, and then if we go down, we've got one test topic by Amos. It's had 0 replies. Comment on this, a little link here. So if we refresh the topics table, you'll see what went in. We had the ID, which is a new ID because it's a new topic, but the topic title I just created. The topic owner was 12, as in that's your membership user ID, and the replies just went in as 0. So that's that for now. We'll go back. So now we've underneath this, so that bit of form I've just shown you this. So underneath this we've got topics. So I'll show you how I echo this out and everything. So back to the logged in, underneath here, that's the bit that says topics, a header, then a style sheet for a table. I've got it, somehow I've got it in there twice. I don't need that in there twice. So I'll take one of them out now. Then we've got the table, and I've put ID, title, replies, and comment. Then I've got a PHP variable. So if we go back to the table, ID, title, replies, and comment, and they're the details. So what we do is I'll go up, I'll show you how I've put this in, what PHP bit of code I've used. So we're going to use get the topics, which is here. So we're selecting, using a MySQL query, we're selecting all from topics, and we're ordering them by ID descending, which means newest ones will appear higher. I've put a limit of 10 topics to appear on the page. You can adjust this to whatever you need, 10, 100 or 1,000. So we're getting this from the topics table now. We're going to get the topic ID, which is the row ID. We're going to get the topic title, which is what we just put in, and call it topic title. Then we're going to get the row replies, and we'll call it replies. Then this is the variable I'll just show you further down, called topics. We've put it in a loop because we don't want to display just one topic. You need, if many topics are added, they need to go as a list, and that's why you use a loop, which is here, a while. So we call it topics. I've put a little bit of code in here so it displays neat in the table. So we've got the topic ID, which is there, number 1. The topic title will be test topic by Amos. Then we've got the row replies will go here, and then I'll put this bit of code in called comment.php topic ID equals topic ID, so that'll be 1. And I've created another little get here called my ID equals ID, which we get further up from here, because you've got to get the owner ID, yeah, from users. So you need the page needs your ID as a user. So with my ID equals ID, and then we put comment on this, and then we save that to the website, and we put that as logged in. So if I could create a new topic, and I'll paste that in there and call it test topic by Steve. So test topic by Steve. I'll create this one. I'm still logged in as Amos, mind. So test topic by Steve. So now you see how they display. 1 comes underneath 2, and now it'll display 10. So that's how the topics will display. So then I've added this button on each, and you can comment on the topics. So what I've done is I've give it a code, another file I created called comment.php. So if I go to that now, comment.php, and I'll show you this is the file. That again at the top you've got your connection. We're getting the topic ID, which would be 1 or 2 for Steve, 1 for Amos. Then you get the commenter ID, which I've assigned from my ID in that bit there on logged in. I called it my ID. You can call this anything, but I called it my ID because I needed to remember what it was. So if you go back there, it's my ID, but then I've assigned it a variable called commenter ID. So we're selecting all from topics where ID equals the topic ID. Then we've got another MySQL query here. We select all from comments where topic ID equals the topic ID and commenter ID equals the comment ID. And then if there's a match, I redirect it. I've created another file here called alreadycommitted.php. So it will redirect to this and give a message saying they can't comment on that. They've already commented on it, and it won't let them comment on that one ever again. So down here on the test comment page, I'll show you this now. So we're going to add a comment on the first one. I'll comment on this. I've made a page, and it said test comment page, your comment, and submit comment. Now this is it, test comment page. It's in a file called comment.php, and then I made a form, and I added a new file for the form. That's when I click add submit comment, it's going to go to this file, add comment.php. So input type hidden, the topic ID, because we're hiding that. We don't need to display that at all. Input type hidden, again, is the commenter ID, which is myself, and we'll hide that as well. So then we've made another bit of code here that says comment, and we've given it a text area this size. It can be any size. You can change the columns and the rows to make the box smaller, and a submit and a submit comment. So it's just a form with 2 hidden fields and a text area. So we save to website, and that's the form. So if I write test comment by Steve, I can click submit comment, and that will go in. But we'll just show you the code for that. So add comment is here. When that button's clicked, it'll go through to this page, add comment.php, and this is what I've created. Again, connection code goes at the top, always at the top, very important. Topic ID, these are from the hidden details. So SPost topic ID, that was hidden in the form I just said about. Commenter ID, again, that was hidden. So that's the topic ID we're submitting into. This is the person that's submitting the comment, and this here is the comment. So we insert the data into the comments table this time. We've got the topic ID, the commenter ID, the comment, but this time I've added one called points because you said something about they get 5 points. So I'll show you the structure of the comments table, and this is how you need to set up the comments table. So the structure is this. It's got 5 fields. You've got ID, again, this one's an int 11, auto increment, and a primary key. Then second one, topic ID, int 11, nothing more. Commenter ID, int 11. The comment, I've given it a text and I've used 1000, so they can add a big comment, but they're not restricted at all, so they can add a nice long comment should you want them to. And then points, I've given it int 11. So that's the structure. If you go to the table, there's nothing in there. So this is my comment. If I click submit comment, before I click that, I'll just show you one more time. Points, I've assigned it 5 here. Now you could change this by editing the code further back and putting in a hidden input field. When you add a topic, you could assign how many points that topic is worth. So if they comment on that topic, they only get a set amount of points, and you'd put it in a variable and link it from this file, etc., right through, and change it here. But for the sake of this video and for doing it quite quick, I've just put number 5 in here. So that's how many points I'll get when I submit the comment. And also I'll submit the comment first. So we'll submit comment like so. And there you go, I submitted a comment. Now this one says I've got 1 reply. And I'll show you in the comments. There you go, that's my comment ID. That's the topic ID I commented on. That's me, my ID 12, and yours Amos. Comment, test comments by Steve, and I earned 5 points. So if we go back, I've got, now it says you have earned 5 points. See that there? So and it updates the replies. So when I click the add comment, I'll go back to the add comment file. I'll put this bit of code in, update view count. I already had this code somewhere else, so I thought, you know what, I'll use it on here. It's really handy. So query MySQL query, select from topics where ID equals topic ID. So we need to know which topic to update. So we put that bit of code in there. If row replies equals 0, comments equals replies plus 1. So we add 1 comment, and then you run this bit of code here, which is a MySQL query. Update topics set replies equals comments where ID equals 1. So it's basically this little bit of code here, from here to here, adds a 1 to the replies here. So if someone else comes in and comments under a different username, they get the replies will increment. So if I went to comment on this again, this is not going to work. It won't allow me. So I'll go to comment on this, and it say you have already commented on this thread, redirecting you back in 3 seconds. So that's because I put in the comment file, I put a little, if there was a match that this user had already commented, it redirects them to already commented.php and it exits script. Now I'll show you the already commented.php file. Again, I've got dates stuck in here. I keep using that. I don't need that. That doesn't need to be there. Include connection in this file. To be fair, that doesn't even need to be there, but you can leave that there anyway. It won't harm. And then I've put a header, a refresh after 4 seconds. Takes them back to the logged in.php file. And I've wrote, you have already commented on this thread, redirecting you back in 3 seconds. And this bit here is just HTML. So you can customize this page and everything about it. It's highly customizable. And that's that file. So we'll go back to the page, and I've got 5 points. Well, I haven't commented on this next test topic by Steve. So if we comment on that one, I'll comment on that one, and I'll put test by Amos and submit the comment. There you go. Now I've got 10. I've earned 10 points because I've commented. I've got 5 for each one. If I click comment on this one again, it won't let me now. You've already commented on this thread, redirecting you back in 3 seconds. So this will work if I log in on any device under the username Amos. This will work. They still won't be able to comment. They still won't be able to comment because it's working from the database and not a session or a cookie or anything like that. So if I log out here, I'm logging out, I'm logged out, and then if I go back to the login system file, and this is the login page. So if I go, let's look at the users. Let's see what users we've got we can use. Browse. These are from previous ones. So I could use this one. Nick. We'll log in as Mr. Nick. And I'll log in to your account. So we've logged in. You can see that these are the topics. Everything's still there, but I'm logged in as someone else with a new ID. See, so this is, so no one will be able to comment. So if I go to comment on this one now as Nick, I can comment, and I'll just type something in there and submit comment. Now I've got 5 points as Nick. See this? And if I comment and go to comment again, I can't. It's going to redirect me back. So if I go to comment on this one, something else again, submit comment, and then I can't comment on it again. So if we go to the comments table and browse, you'll see there's 2 different commenter IDs in there now. 2 from Amos, 2 from a different from Nick. We go back to the users table, browse, copy that one, and then I'll log out as Nick, just so I can show you it functioning. So I'll log out as Nick. Go back. Now if we go to the login system page again, and I'll log back in as Amos. So this is Amos. This would be like you're logging in from a different device, a phone or anything. This could be, just pretend for this example, I'm logging in from an iPad. Same page, I'm just logging back in. So I'll log back into the account. I've got 10 points already. I think, you know what, I'm going to be sneaky. I'm going to try and earn some more points. I'll comment. Still can't. It's done it now. That's how it works. I hope you liked the tutorial. If anyone else is watching, please like if you like it, and subscribe to my channel because I release new code and scripts, and I can code scripts on requests and anything like that. So if you like this video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And Amos, I'll zip this up and add it as a comment. Thanks for watching.